Hi guys, and once again welcome to Pankaj's Echelon tutorials. And today in this session we are going to continue with the last part of this chapter, that is product and expansion from Icse 7th grade. The subject is mathematics, and we have already made two. I have already made two videos on this particular topic, that is product and expansion. Okay, this is the third one, and in this third one I want to wind up this chapter by doing some more problems, okay, on the three identities that we have done in the previous two videos. Okay, so to begin with, first let me recap the three identities. So identity number one is, it's like x plus y the whole square is equal to x square plus 2xy plus y square. And mind you, instead of x and y, it can be any two variables, it can be any two terms also, it can be any two numbers also. Okay, the second identity was x minus y the whole square is equal to x square minus 2xy plus a y square. Okay, and the third identity was x plus y times x minus y is equal to x square minus a y square. So these are the three identities that we have discussed in the previous two videos of this particular chapter, and we are going to do some more problems, okay, and practice about on this three identities. Okay, so let us start with the very first example. And example number one happens to be like you have to find the product of the following by using expansion. Okay, by using expansion of x plus a into x plus b. Okay, so I'm not writing that entire question, it is understood. So basically the question is, find this product x plus 2 times x plus 1. Okay, now simple. By the very first method, you have to take this x, you have to multiply by x plus 1 the whole bracket, then you have to take this plus 2 and multiply by the whole bracket again, the second bracket. Okay, this will work out to, when you open the brackets, it will be x into x will be x square, plus 1 into x will be x, plus 2 into x will be 2x, plus 2 into plus 1 will be plus 2. Now this will be equal to x square plus, this can be sum up to 2x plus x will be 3x. See, this is 1x, right? 2x plus 1x will be 3x plus a 2. So that's the answer for the first one. Okay, let us try this second one, example number 2. Now it's somewhat similar. Let it be m minus 5 multiplied by m minus 25. Okay, fine. Now okay, so you have to find the product, right? So again you'll have to take this m, the first element of the first binomial expression, multiply by the entire second binomial expression, that is m minus 25, close the bracket, then take this minus 5 and do the same thing, multiply by the second binomial expression, that is m minus 25. Once this is done, you have to remove the brackets. So for removing the bracket, you have to multiply this m into m, that is m square, then m into 25, but there's a minus over here, so it will be minus 25m. Same way here there's a minus, here there's a plus, so this when you multiply, it will become minus 5m, and when you multiply these two, it will become minus into minus plus, and 25 into 5 is 125. Then this m square I'm writing as it is, this minus 25m minus 5m, okay, this will sum up to minus 30m plus a 125. So this is the answer for the example number 2. Okay, quickly let us go to example number 3, and it says that a plus a 0.9 times a minus 0.17. You have to find out this. Okay, so as usual, take a first, multiply with this entire bracket, that is a minus 0.17, Then you take plus 0.9 and multiply with the same bracket, that is a minus 0.17, right? This will work out to removing the bracket. This will be a square minus 0.17a plus 0.9a, and this is plus into minus minus. Now 0.17 into 0.9, 17 into 9 happens to be 170 minus 17, right? This is my way of doing things. So 17 into 10 is 170, minus a 17 will give you 10 minus 7 is 3, and then 6 minus 1 is 5, so 153. So this will give me minus 153, and there are three places of decimal, 1, 2 and 3, so 1, 2 and 3. So minus 0.153. Done. Now a square, now these two can be added up because both are having the same term, a and a. Okay, now this is 0.9 and this is 0.17. This is bigger than this one, right? Oh, rather this is bigger than this one. Okay, 0.9 is bigger than 0.17, so the sign will be of the bigger one, that is plus sign. And 0.9 minus a 0.17 will give me how much? This is 10 minus 7 will be 3, 8 minus 1 will be 7. Okay, and that's it, 0.73. So this will be 0.73a, and you are left with this minus 0.153. This is the answer for the third one. Got it? Okay, now let us go for the example number 4. Example number 4 says that there's a p minus a 9 upon 4 multiplied by a p plus a 9 upon 5. Okay, now don't be in a rush to assume that this is a minus b into a plus b sort of thing. Okay, no, this is 9 upon 4 and this is 9 upon 5. Okay, both are not same, so we'll have to work out in the same way. First take p and then multiply with this bracket p plus 9 upon 5, then take minus 9 upon 4, multiply by this bracket p plus 9 upon 5, right? Then remove the bracket, this will be p into p square, then this will be plus 9 upon 5p, and this will be minus 9 upon 4p, and this will be plus into minus is minus. 9 nines are 81 upon 5 fours are 20. Done. Now last step will be p square. We can add this 2 up. This is 9 by 4, 9 by 5 minus 9 by 4. So let me do that. 9 by 5 minus 9 by 4. 9 by 4. Okay. Now 5 and 4, the LCM is 20. 5 fours are 20, right? 5 into 4 is 20. So 4 into 9 is 36. Then 4 into 5 is 20 and 5 into 9 is 45. So this will give me the answer as minus of 36 minus 45 is minus of how much? 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45. So it will be a 9. So minus 9 upon a 20. This will give me minus 9 upon a 20, but I'll have to write this p. And then this last term is 81 upon 20. So this is the answer for the fourth one, right? And example number 5 will be, it's like a 2z plus a 9 times 2z minus a 2. Okay, so here 2z I'll take first. I'll multiply by this second expression, that is 2z minus 2. Then I'll take this plus 9 and I'll multiply by the same bracket 2z minus 2. Then I'll open up the bracket. 2 2s are 4, z into z, z square, minus 2 2s are 4, 4z, plus 9 2s are 18, 18z, plus into minus is minus. 9 into this is 2, right? 9 into 2 is 18. Then this can be written as 4z square minus 4z plus 18z. Here the bigger number is 18, so the sign will be of 18 plus, and 18 minus 4 is 14, so 14z minus 18. This is the answer. Okay, so these were the first 5 questions. Okay, now let us come down and do 5 more set of questions. Example number 1 again. Okay, Now here again you have to expand, but this time the questions are 3x plus a 2y whole square. Okay, this is of the form a plus b whole square. You know how to do this. First term square plus 2 into first term into second term plus second term square. Okay, that you have to use. So first term is 3x, so 3x the whole square, first term square, plus 2 into first term into second term. First term is 3x, second term is 2y, so 2 into 3x into 2y, plus second term whole square, that is 2y the whole square. Now this will work out to 3 square is 9 and x square is x square this way, plus this is 2 into 3 6, 6 into 2 is 12, and then you have x and y, so multiply that out, plus 2 square is 4 and y square will be y square. Okay, so this is the answer. Then example number 2. Okay, it's 3 upon 5 m plus 5 upon 6 n the whole square. Okay, now this is also of the form a plus b whole square, so it will be a square plus 2ab plus b square. Okay, so 3 upon 5 m, this will be a, so a square plus 2 into a will be 3 upon 5 m times b will be 5 upon 6 n plus b square, that is 5 upon 6 n the whole square. Done. Now this will work out to, now this 3 square is 9 upon 5 square is 25, so this becomes 9 upon 25, and m square will become m square, plus 2 into 3 upon 5 into 5 upon 6. Let me do that. 2 into 3 upon 5 into 5 upon 6. Okay, into, you have m and n, so it will be mn. Okay, plus this one, this will be 5 square 25, 6 square 36, and this will be n square. Done. Now this reduces to 9 upon 25 m square, plus, now what can be done, this 2 into 3 will be 6, 3 and 3 is gone, 5 and 5 is gone, so everything is gone, so you are left with just 1 mn, plus 25 upon 36 n square. So this is the answer for the second one. Let us quickly move on to the third one. So example number 3, it says 12a square plus 1 upon 27b square the whole square. This should work out to, now this is a plus b whole square. Now this entire thing is my a, this entire thing is my b, and it's of the form a plus b the whole square, isn't it? This way also you can do it. Okay, so this will be a square plus 2ab plus b square, so a square will be 12a square the whole square. Okay, this is a square plus 2ab, so 2 into a will be 12a square, b will be 1 upon 27b square, that's it, plus a b square, capital B square. So capital B is nothing but 1 upon 27b square the whole square. Got it? Okay, now let us do this. 12 square will be 144, a square ka square will be a raised to 4, 2 into 2 is 4, plus here it will be 12 into 2 is 24, and this is 27. Okay, so anything can be done. Okay, let us do this. 12, 3 4s are 12, 3 into 4 is 12, and 3 into 9 is 27. Okay, so 4 2s are 8 upon a 9, and then you have a square b square, a square and b square, that's it. Okay, plus this will become 1 upon 27 whole square will be 1 square is 1, 27 square is how much, let me work out. 27 into 27, 7 sevens are 49, 4 carried, 7 twos are 14, plus 4 18, 7 twos are 14, 4 carried, 1, I mean 2 twos are 4 plus 1 5, so this is 9, 8 plus 4 is 12, 1 carried, so 5 6 7 7 29. Okay, 27 square is 729, and you have this b square the whole square, so that will be b raised to 4. So this is the answer. Okay, this is the answer. Done. Okay, so that was example number 3. Now let us move on to some more questions of slightly different type. Example number 1. Again, this is x minus 5 the whole square. Now this is very simple. This will be first term square minus 2 into first term into second term. So 2 into first term is x. Okay, so let me write that in order only. 2 into x into 5. Okay, 2 into first term into second term plus second term square. Second term is 5, so 5 square. This will be x square minus 5 2s are 10, and 10 into x will be minus 10x plus 5 square is 25. So this is the answer for the first one. Okay, let us try example number 2. 9x minus a 4y the whole square. Okay, now this is of the form a minus b the whole square. This entire thing you can take as a, this you can take as b. So it happens to be a minus b the whole square, and this can be written as a square minus 2ab plus b square. So all you have to do is substitute the values of this a and b in this. So a being 9x, so a square will be 9x the whole square plus 2ab will be 2 into 9x into 4y plus b square will be 4y the whole square. Okay, now this should work out to 9 square is 81, and this is x square plus 9 2s are 18, and 18 into 4 will be 18 2s are 36, 36 2s are 72, and then xy, and plus 4 square is 16, and this is y square. So this is the answer. Example number 2. Now example number 3 is let us try out this 197 the whole square. Now this is pretty tricky one. 197 the whole square can be written as 200 minus 3 the whole square. It's convenient to write 197 as 200 minus 3 because 200 minus 3 even otherwise works out to 197. Now this happens to be a minus b the whole square. That will be a square, that is 200 square, minus this is minus, so there I'll get minus 2 into a is 200, b is 3, 2 into a into b plus a b square is 3 square. Got it? Now this should work out to 200 square will be 2 square is 4, and 0 0 ka square will be 4 zeros. The number of zeros will be doubled. So 2 zeros, so make it 4 zeros. So 40,000, right? Minus 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, and then 2 zeros. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, and these 2 zeros you just add up over here. So minus 1200 plus 3 square is 9. Now just add them up. So this will be 4000 minus this is 1209. Now this should work out to how much? Now 4000 minus a 1209 should be how much? 10 minus 9 is 1, 9 minus 0 is 9, 9 minus 2 is 7, 3 minus 1 is 2. So this will work out to 2791. So this is the answer. 197 square is this. Got it? Now quickly let us work out the fourth one also. Example number 4 is a 5x minus a 3 upon 8y the whole square. 5. So this is my a, this is my b, and this is a minus b the whole square, which should be equal to a square minus 2ab plus a b square. So a square will be 5x the whole square minus 2ab will be minus 2 into a is 5x, b is 3 upon 8y plus b square will be b is 3 upon 8y whole square. So this will work out to 5 square is 25 x square. This will be minus 10, or let me cut this 2 and this will become 2 4s are okay, and 5 is 15 upon 4. I'm getting minus 15 upon a 4, and this is x upon y. See, remember here x is on the top and y is at the bottom, so x upon y plus, now this will be 3 square will be 9, 8 square will be 64, so 9 upon 64, and then y square will be y square. That's it. You cannot do anything further. Okay, so this is your answer. Done with that. Now let us try out this one more good one. This is again example 5. uh, this is 1/4 of a p square minus 2/5 of a q square the whole square. See how I'm reading it. 1/4 of a p square minus 2/5 of a q square the whole square. This will be equal to, now this, if you observe it carefully, this entire thing you can take as a, this entire thing you can take as b. So it is a minus b and then a whole square. So this, you know, it works out to a square minus 2ab plus b square, right? So all you have to do is, in this you have to substitute the proper value. So a square means this is a, right? This is a, this is b, isn't it? So a square means 1/4 p square the whole square. This is a square minus 2 into a is 1/4 of a p square, b is 2/5 of a q square. Done. Then plus b square. So plus b is 2 upon 5 q square the whole square. Fine. Now let us simplify it more. So equal to, this is 1 upon 4 the whole square will be 1 upon 16. P square ka square will be p raised to 4. And this, let us see what we land up with. This is 2, 4. So this will cut. And this 2 will also cut. So you are left with 1 square. I mean 1 and then p square. So basically you are left here with p square. And here you are left up with 5 in the bottom. Okay, so I'll take that 5 over here, and then there's a q square, isn't it? So p square q square upon 5 plus, now this will work out to 2 square will be 4, 5 square will be 25, so 4 upon 25, and q square ka square will be q raised to 4. That's it. Now nothing can be done further. This can be written as p raised to 4 upon 16 minus p square q square upon 5 plus 4 q raised to 4 upon a 25. So this is the answer for that. Okay. Next set of question, let us do example number 1. Let us try this x plus 6 into x minus 6. Now these are the questions based on the third identity. You remember that a plus b times a minus b will give you a square minus a b square. These are pretty easy. Now see, this is of that form, a plus b into a minus b, x plus 6 into x minus 6. Okay, so straightforward, you can write down x square minus 6 square, which is equal to x square minus a 36. So this is the answer. Example 2, there's a 2p plus a 3q times a 2p minus a 3q. Okay, now this is also a plus b into a minus b form. Okay, see, this is a, this is b, this is a, this is b. There's a plus over here, there's a minus over here. Okay, so a plus b, a minus b. So this works out to a square minus b square. So it will be 2p is a, so whole square, minus 3q is b whole square. This works out to 2 square will be 4, p will be p square, minus 3 square will be 9, and then q square. That's the answer. Let us move on to example number 3. Okay, it says that 4m plus a n times 4m minus a n. Again, this is a plus b into a minus b. It will be 4m the whole square minus n the whole square. That is 4 square is 16, m square minus n square. That's the answer. Example number 4. It says that y plus 7 times a y minus 7. That works out to, this is also a plus b into a minus b. So it will be y square minus 7 square. This can be written as y square minus 49. Done. Fifth one, example 5. This is 2 upon 3 times p plus a phi q times 2 upon 3 p minus a phi q. All these 5 questions, just now what I did, were based on a plus b into a minus b. Okay, so this will be a square minus a b square. A square minus a b square. B is nothing but phi q. So this will be 2 square 4, 3 square 9, so 4 upon 9, and then p square minus 5 square is 25, q square. The answer. Now coming to the one more set of some 3-4 questions. Let us do this. Example number 1. Suppose somebody is telling you to calculate 54 into 49. Okay, now this can be done simply by multiplying the two number, but that will become pretty lengthy. Okay, now there's another way of doing it. Now this product, I'm going to convert it in the terms of 50 plus 4. This 54 can be written as 50 plus 4. Okay, right? And this 49 can be written as 50 minus 1. 50 minus 1 is 49, 50 plus 4 is 54. Okay, so can I write this 54 as 50 plus 4 times 49 as 50 minus 1? Now this happens to be two binomials, isn't it? 1 and 2. And if you want to multiply them out, you'll take the first term of the first binomial, multiply that with this one, then you'll take plus 4, this one, and multiply with the second one. This will be equal to 50 into 50 will be how much? Now 50 into 50, how you have to work out? 5 square is 25, and 0 and 0, so 2 zeros you'll have to put. So it will be 2500 minus 50 into 1 will be 50. Then 4 into 50 will be 5 into 4 is, now there will be a first there will be a plus sign. Then 5 into 4 is 20, and there's one 0, so add that 0 over here. Okay. Then plus 4 into minus 1 will be minus 4. Now just do the other things. So 2500 minus 50 will be how much? 2500, or rather I'll do this, 2500 plus 200 I'll do. 2500 plus 200 will be 2700, and this minus 50 minus 4 will give me minus of 54, and 2700 minus 54 will give me 2646. So this is the answer. If you do even otherwise, by straight multiplication, we'll get the same answer. But here I have made use of that identity number 1, that is a plus b into a minus b, and I've worked out this example. Let us try the second example in the same way. Okay, it says 101 it says 101 the whole square will be how much? Okay, so this 101 the whole square will be how much? So this 101 can be nicely written as 100 plus 1. Okay, and the whole square. Okay, 101 square can be written as 100 plus 1 the whole square. Now this is nothing but a plus b the whole square, so this will be a square, that is 100 square, plus 2ab, 2 into 100 into a 1, plus b square, b is nothing but 1, so 1 square. This will be 100 square will be 2 zeros, so put 4 zeros. Okay, plus 200, 2 into 100 is 200, 200 over 1 is 200, plus 1 square is 1. So this works out to 10,000 plus 201. So answer will be 10,201. That's it. Next is, example number 3. And this is the last example of today's. Let us try this 97 square. So 97, I will write it as 100 minus 3 the whole square. 97 is 100 minus 3. Okay, this happens to be a minus b the whole square, so this will be a square minus a 2 into a into a b plus a b square. This works out to 100 square will be 4 zeros, minus 200 into 3. So first we multiply this 2 and 3, so it will be 6, and then put 2 zeros, so minus 600 plus a 9. This will be 10,000 minus 600 and plus 9. This will work out to how much? Minus 500 and how much? 600 minus 9 is how much? 591. Okay, 591, right? So 10,000 minus 591 would be how much? So 0, 10 minus 1 is 9, 9 minus 9 is 0, 9 minus 5 is 4, 9 minus will be 9. Okay, the answer will be 9409. Okay. And one more to end up this session. Example number 4. Let us try this 43 into 37. Okay, now this 43 I can write as 50 minus a 7, or rather I will write it this way, 40 plus 3. Okay, 43 I'll write 40 plus 3, and this 37 I will write as 40 minus a 3. Okay, now this is a plus b, a minus b. Okay, this is of the form a plus b into a minus b. So it is very simple. It is a square minus a b square. A is 40, b is 3. So 40 square minus 3 square. 40 square will be 1600, 3 square will be 9, and 1600 minus 9 will work out to 1591. And that's the answer for this fourth example. So with this, I have completed some, I did not count, but lot many questions I did, all were based on the product and expansion at the 7th standard level of ICSE. Okay, so with this we will wind up this chapter. So this was, I think, the third part, the third video of this chapter, and we are winding up this chapter, that is factors and expansion for the 7th standard ICSE grade. So today's session I'll wind up here only. To end my session, I'll take your permission, and if you like my video, please subscribe my videos. Please subscribe my channel rather. Like my videos, you subscribe my channel and press the bell button so that I'll be motivated to make more videos like this. Okay. So till then, bye. Take care all of you. See you.